Hi friends, na videos marikontamandiకి రీచ్ అవ్వడానికి please like, share and subscribe to my channel. In this video we have to learn about vowel A two-letter clusters. For example, AB words, AD words, AG words, AT words, AM words, AN words, AP words. First start with AB words. CAB, first one, CAB. If we join these three letters, then form a new word, that is three-letter word, cab. Second one, LAB, lab. Third one, GAB, gab. Fourth one, TAB, tab. Fifth one, NAB, nab. Next, AD words. AD words. First one, BAD, bad. Second one, DAD, dad. Third one, PAD, pad. Fourth one, MAD, mad. Fifth one, LAD, lad. These are the AD words. Now AG words. First one, TAG, tag. WAG, wag. Third one, BAG, bag. Fourth one, RAG, rag. Fifth one, LAG, lag. These are the AG words. Now AT words. Here BAT. If we join BAT, then forms bat. BAT, bat. Next, CAT, cat. HAT, hat. MAT, mat. R-A-T, rat. Next one, 6th one, F-A-T, fat. These are the AG words. Now AM words. First one, D-A-M, dam. J-A-M, second one, jam. Third one, Y-A-M, yam. Fourth one, C-A-M, cam. Fifth one, R-A-M, ram. These are the AB words. Now AN words. C-A-N, can. F-A-N, fan. P-A-N, pan. M-A-N, man. V-A-N, van. Sixth one, B-A-N, ban. These are the AN words. Now AP words. First one, C-A-P, cap. Second one, M-A-P, map. Third one, G-A-P, gap. Fourth one, L-A-P, lap. Fifth one, S-A-P, sap. These are the AP words. Once again, I will show to you. First AB word, these are the AB words. Next, these are AD words. Next, these are AG words. Next, these are AT words. Next, these are AM words. These are AN words. Last one, these are AP words. Thank you friends. నా వీడియోస్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు మై ఛానల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.